Let's explore how CostingNet's powerful features solve real costing challenges. Global business means multiple currencies. CostingNet handles USD, BDT, EUR, and more with real-time conversion. No more calculator juggling or conversion errors. Link costs directly to product images. Track design changes with cost impact. Present professionally to buyers with visual cost breakdowns. Every cost component covered: materials and trims, labor and workmanship, manufacturing and packing, subcontracts and transportation. Complete visibility, total control. Generate professional quotations instantly. Branded cost sheets ready for client presentation. What used to take hours now takes minutes. Experience the difference. Start your free trial today at http://ibuyer.hk/costingnet_product.html.